Hey, and welcome. In this quick tutorial, we're going to build a clean SwiftUI screen with a looping video background, custom sign-in buttons, and clickable agreement links, all from scratch. No libraries, no storyboards, just SwiftUI and UIKit where we need it. We'll keep everything modular and simple, so you can reuse it in your own apps or landing screens. Let's get started. Let's set up the looping video background. Start by importing AVKit. Now we create a SwiftUI view called Looping Player View. This struct is just a bridge. It lets us use a custom UIKit video view inside SwiftUI. You pass in the video name and type, and it will create the player view and show it. We also stop the video when the view is removed. Next is the actual player view, Player UI View. This is a UIKit view that plays the video. It creates an AVPlayer, sets it up with the video file, and adds an AVPlayer layer so the video fills the screen. It also listens for the end of the video and loops it by restarting from the beginning. Now we'll build a reusable sign-in button. This is a sign button view. You can pass in an icon, a title, background color, text color, and an action that runs when the button is tapped. The button layout uses an H-stack. It places the icon on the left and the text on the right. The entire button is styled with rounded capsule shape, fixed height, and full width. Now we're adding a view to show a short agreement message with two clickable links. This view is called Agreement Text View. You pass in two URLs, one for the terms of service and one for the privacy policy. The entire message is handled using text init. This lets us write markdown style links directly in the string. Both links are tappable. The text is centered, small, and gray, subtle but visible. Now we build the full screen. Start with content view and use a Z-stack. The video goes in the back and everything else goes on top. This is the header text. The \n here means line break, so the sentence is split into 3 lines. It gives us better control over the layout instead of letting the text wrap on its own. Spacer, that pushes everything below it to the bottom of the screen. Simple way to get the buttons in place. These use the custom sign button we already made. Each one takes an icon, a title, colors, and an action. For now, the actions are just empty. At the bottom, we show the agreement text. We're passing dummy links here, but the component is already set up to make those tappable.